Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Fakirmon University, Basavihar, Balasur, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 40 vital MCQs. From the business environment. Friends, so I have prepared these 40 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus for the subject of commerce. Recently the PGT for the subject of commerce, the advertisement has already been made by the Odisha Public Service Commission. So friends, so it's the part 18. So earlier I have already posted the 40 MCQs, the part 1 from the business environment. So आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलर फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन एज वेल एज द UGC NET JRF in the subject of commerce and management, as well as so this discussion will be very useful for the SSB examination, and very soon you are going to appear the SSB as well as the PGT exam. So friends, so without delay we will start today's discussion. Friends, again I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video from beginning to till end. Definitely you will be comfortable in your or upcoming the PGT exam and other related exams. So friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So during the discussion, friends, we will also discuss the important concepts and meaning of the questions which are related to the business environment. So friends, so before discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming PGT examination, as well as the SSB examination and UGC NET JRF examination and the board exam. So friends, without wasting our golden time or friends without losing our the valuable time, आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए, क्या बात है. So friends, एक के बाद एक हम 40 vital MCQs will discuss. And friends, it's the part 18. Kindly go through the posted video, I mean the PGT as well as the SSB series. Definitely you will get more MCQs from the various subjects as per the prescribed syllabus of PGT. Friends, so who is the chairperson of the Planning Commission of India? Whether it's the President of India, Vice President of India, Prime Minister of India, Finance Minister of or Government of India. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the Prime Minister of India is the chairperson of the Planning Commission of India. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the Make in India program or slogan has been initiated and coined by Prime Minister of India. So P will be the capital letter and M will be the capital letter of India, which comes under which dimensions of business environment. So friends, so B stands for business environment, whether it's the political environment, B it's the economic environment, C it's the social environment, D it's the socio-cultural environment. So no doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So Make in India slogan is coming under the political environment. So आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of that is the business environment and the make in India. So the objectives of Make in India program of the initiative is to promote India as the most preferred global manufacturing destination. It's the meaning or objectives of Make in India. So BE friends, so it's a business environment is the sum total of all external and internal factors that influence the activities of the business. So external and internal factors, so kindly go through the posted video, that is the business environment. I have already posted for one video for the that is the UGC NET as well as that is in the in also the PGT. Go there and definitely what are the internal and external factors, and in this video particularly we will also discuss. So next one हम देखेंगे the process of rapid integration or interconnection between the countries through फ्री ट्रेड, फ्री मोबिलिटी ऑफ कैपिटल एंड लेबर इज नोन एज क्या, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether liberalization beats the globalization, C it's the privatization, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The process of rapid integration or interconnection between countries through free trade, free mobility of capital and labor is known as क्या, the globalization. So next one हम देखेंगे what are the internal factors. So friends, I have already told you. So the business environment is normal two types, that is the internal factors and another is that is the external factors. So friends, here which are the internal factors in the business environment of a business firm. So first, value systems builds labor union, third one is employees of the organization, fourth one is that is the social environment. So friends, select the right option from the following as given below. A first, second, four only. B it's the first, third, four only. C it's that is the first, third, four only. D it's the first, second, third only. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Value system, employees of the organization as well as the labor union, so they are the internal factors, so they will influence the activities of the business, whereas the social environment it's the external factor. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one आइए हम डिस्कशन करेंगे. द लार्जेस्ट शेयर इन नेशनल इनकम ऑफ इंडिया कम्स फ्रॉम व्हिच सेक्टर, whether agriculture sector, B it's the manufacturing sector, C it's the service sector, D it's none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The largest share in national income of India comes from service sector. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे friends. So some micro environmental factors of business parts which are given below. So these are what? Intermediaries, suppliers, customers and technology. So friends, so you have to select the right options from the following, whether first, second, four only, B is the first, third, fourth only, C is the second, third, fourth only, D is the first, second, third only. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, here C मतलब the technology is the macro environmental factors of the business. So intermediaries, suppliers and customers, so they are coming under the micro environmental factors, or we can say it's that is the internal environmental factors of a business. So next one हम देखेंगे economy survey is published by whom, whether planning commission, B it's the Ministry of Finance, C it's the Government of India, D it's the Ministry of Company Affairs. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The Ministry of Finance published the economic survey. So आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा व्हाट इज द मतलब क्या है इकोनॉमिक सर्वे और इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज ए सर्वे which is conducted to review the financial developments of the country in the last fiscal year and plays a key role in scrutinizing the different trends within various sectors of the economy like agricultural sector, industrial production, export and import, infrastructure and among other things. So it's that is the objectives of a economic survey. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे some social environments of a business are given below. What are? So these are essence of innovation, values, customs and tradition. Fourth one is that is the culture and the social needs. So friends, you have to select the right options from the following. A first, second, third only. B it's the first, third, four only. C it's the second, third, four only. D it's all the above. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So these will not be the social environments, but the values, customs and traditions and the culture and social needs are the social environments of a business. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे industrial policy means to the policy of the government towards what? So it's whether the industry establishment, industry functioning, industry growth and management. So friends, so options are, so you have to select all the above except 1, B it's all the above except 2, C it's all the above except 3. D it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. That is, the industrial policy means to the policy of the government towards industry establishment, industry functioning, industry growth and management. So friends, your D is the right option for this MCQ. And here friends, which one is known as the new economic policy? Whether industrial policy, that is 1991, B it's the industrial policy 1980, C it's the industrial policy 1972, D it's the industrial policy 1956. So friends, so it's a industrial policy A is the right option, or industrial policy 1991 is known as the new economic policy. So friends, so here A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the new industrial policy 1991 was announced by whom? Whether Mr. H.T. Devagowda, B it's the Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, C it's the P.V. Narasimha Rao, D it's Mr. I.K. Gujral. So friends, so they are the Prime Minister of or the former or ex-Prime Minister of India. So friends, here C is the right option for this MCQ. The new industrial policy 1991 was announced by Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, next MCQ, the dimensions of business environments are given below. Whether the legal environment, economic environment, social environment, political environment, technological environment. So friends, so you have to select the right options from the following. A, all the above except 1. B, it's all the above except 3. C, it's all the above except 4. D, it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, so these are the external business environment, or you can say that is the macro business environment. So they will influence to the business, and the business will have no control over these dimensions, matlab the macro or the external business environment. So next one हम देखें, monetary policy affects the dash and dash. So whether reserve, surplus and unemployment, B it's the money supply and interest rate, C it's the taxes, reserve and exchange rate, D it's the stock price and surpluses. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Monetary policy affects the money supply and interest rate. So आइए friends हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of monetary policy. So monetary policy, a set of tools that a nation's central bank has available to promote sustainable economic growth by controlling the overall supply of money that is available to the nation's bank, its consumers and its business. So its meaning of that is the monetary policy. So next one हम देखेंगे, which is the type of democracy associated with the idea of globalization. Whether it's the metropolitan democracy, B it's the global democracy, C it's that is the participative democracy, D it's the social democracy. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So metropolitan democracy is the type of democracy which is associated with the idea of globalization. So next one हम देखेंगे, who has given a practical shape of privatization. Whether Dr. Manmohan Singh, B it's the Margaret Thatcher, C it's the Lambes Mayo, D it's the Eleanor Ostono. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Margaret Thatcher has given a practical shape of privatization. So friends, so your B is the right option for this MCQ. The main features of new economic policy is what? Whether it's the globalization, B it's that is the liberalization, C it's the privatization, D it's all the. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The globalization, liberalization, privatization are the main features of a new economic policy. So friends, you have to remember LPG. So L stands for liberalization, P stands for privatization, G stands for globalization. So friends, you have to remember it, particularly in the board examination, in a short form question you may get. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लिबरलाइजेशन. सो लिबरलाइजेशन रेफर्स टू द प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेटिंग द unnecessary controls and restriction for the smooth functioning of trade and a business. So these are the common question you will find friends. So that's why you have to know it. Come to the globalization. What is this? Globalization refers to the process by which ideas, goods and services are spread throughout the world by crossing the national boundaries. So privatization, what is this? The transfer of ownership of property or business from government to private sector. It's term or it's known as what is this? The privatization. So next one हम देखें, the first industrial policy was announced after the independence in which year? Government of India, whether 1948, B it's 1950, C it's the 1956, D it's 1960. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. First industrial policy was announced in the year 1948 by Government of India. So next one हम देखेंगे, फ्री ट्रेड इज बेस्ड ऑन व्हिच प्रिंसिपल्स टू प्रमोट द स्पेशलाइजेशन, एफिशिएंसी एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी. whether it's the comparative advantage, B it's the economics of advantage, C it's the production possibility advantage, D it's the comparative at a large scale. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So these principles will be followed in free trade to promote the specialization, efficiency and productivity. So next one हम देखेंगे, consumer has how many rights under the Consumer Protection Act. So friend, whether it's the 6, B it's the 8, C it's the 10, D it's the 12. So friends, so 6 is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, so I have visited, that is the Gazette notification Government of India towards the consumer rights, that the consumer will avail the rights under the Consumer Protection Act. So these are that is the right to be protected. Second one, right to be informed. Third one, it's a right to be assured. Fourth one, it's a right to be heard. Fifth one, it's a right to seek redressal. Sixth one, it's a right to consumer awareness. So friends, it's the vital MCQ. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, which factors are the key drivers of globalization? A it's the government policies, exchange rate, competition and cost advantages. B it's that is the market, cost, competition and government policies. C it's the government policies, competition, exchange rates and cost advantages. D it's the cost advantages, government policies, business cycle and exchange rates. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So market, cost, competition and government policies are the key drivers, key drives of globalization. So it's friends, so typing error, sorry. So next one हम देखेंगे, which are the parts of the economic policy of a country from followings? What are? Whether industrial policy, export policy, import policy, monetary policy, fiscal policy, structural policy. So friends, we have to select the right option from the following. A it's all the way except 1, B it's all the way except 3, C it's all the way except 4, D it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So these are all are the parts of the economic policy of a country. So next one हम देखेंगे, which one is concerned with the development projection of direction, speed, intensity and scope of environmental change. Whether it's the scanning, B it's the monitoring, C it's the assessment, D it's the forecasting. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, which organization lays stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment. Whether A European Union, B it's the International Monetary Fund, IMF, C it's the World Bank, WB, D it's the WTO, मतलब World Trade Organization. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So WTO lays the stress on liberalization of foreign trade and foreign investment. So next one हम देखेंगे, the first 5-year plan was launched in which year? Whether it's 1948, B it's 1950, C it's the 1951, D it's a 1952. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The first 5-year plan was 1951. So what is the objective? So objective first 5-year plan aim to bring the changes and make India self-sufficient, economically powerful, and also this plan focused the development of a primary sector. So next one हम देखेंगे consider the following external factors in the business environment of a business. So friends, so these are government regulation, competitors, inflation, customers, taxation, demographic factors. So friends, you have to select the right options from the following, whether it's the first, second, third, four only, B it's the first, second, third, four and fifth only, C it's the first, second, third, fifth, fourth and sixth only, D it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The government regulation, competitors, inflation, customers, taxation, demographic factors. So they are the external factors. So they will influence the activities of the business. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. Economic growth can be measured by which parameter, whether CPI, consumer price index, D is the wholesale price index, WPI, C is the gross domestic product. Friends, so it's the GDP, D is the gross national product, so it's the GNP. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, for your kind information, so I have posted some videos on important, that is the terms and concept. Kindly go through the posted video. You will know about what is the meaning of CPI and what is the meaning of WPI. Hi friends, हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of economic growth. So it's an increase to the production of economic goods and services compared from the period of time to another. It's the meaning of economic growth. Very interesting. What is the meaning of GDP? GDP is the value of finished goods and services produced within a nation's border. It's known as what is this GDP, whereas the GNP is the value of all finished goods produced by a country's citizen both domestically and abroad. मतलब that is from foreign country as well as that is from the nation. So here's the key difference between that is the GDP and GNP. So next one, state directive principles are the what, whether it's the principles of regulation, B it's the instruments of instruction, C it's the principles of instruction, D it's that is the responsibility of state principles. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. State directive principles are the what? Are the instruments of instructions. So next one, when a seller manipulates the price, it is called what is this? Unfair trade practices. B is the caveat impact. C is the restricted trade practices. D is the high margin selling. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. When the seller manipulates the price, it is called what is this? Restricted trade practices. So next one, the Competition Act is a what? Whether it's 2002, B it's the 2003, C it's the 2004, D it's the 2005. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The Competition Act is 2002. Hi friends, हम चर्चा करें what is the main objectives of Competition Act. The objectives of the Competition Act is to prevent the practices having the adverse effect on competition, to promote and sustain the competition in markets, to protect the interest of consumers, as well as to ensure the freedom of trade carried on by other participants in the market, in markets in India. So main objectives of Competition Act. So next one, हम देखेंगे the investment in which a company establishes wholly or partly owned subsidiary company in another country and makes the management, and it is known as a what? हम क्या बोलेंगे? Whether foreign investment, which is the foreign direct investment, or we can say AFDI, foreign direct investment, portfolio investment, that is the foreign portfolio investment, that is it's a FPI. So friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ, the vital MCQ. So next one, हम देखें competition to beneficial to the competing firms besides benefiting to whom, whether it's a that is the intermediaries, B it's the producer, C it's the consumer, D it's none of these. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Competition to beneficial to the competing firms besides benefiting to consumers. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the key drivers of globalization from the following. What is it? That is the population mobility, especially of labor, exporting, then financial flows, then that is the potential untapped markets, then cultural transformation, then changing political situation, economic integration. So friends, select the right options from the following as given below. A. All the above except 4. B. It's all the above except 3. C. It's all the above except 2. D. It's that is all the above. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So this will not be the key drivers of globalization. So population mobility, then the financial flows, potential untapped markets, cultural transformation, changing political situation, and economic integration. So are the key or the main, that is the drivers of globalization. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखें which one involves the freedom in doing the business, whether it's the liberalization, B it's the privatization, C it's the globalization, D is none of this. So friends, we have already discussed that is what is the meaning of liberalization, privatization and globalization. No doubt friends, so here A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखें fiscal policy refers to the policy of the government with respect to the public expenditure, taxation and what, whether it's the public deposits, B it's the public finance, C it's the public debt, D it's the budget. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So fiscal policy refers to the policy of a government with respect to the public expenditure, taxation and budget. So next one हम देखेंगे India is a good example for what, no doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Mixed economy. आइए friends हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of that is the mixed economy. So system that combines aspects both the capitalism and the socialism. So it's the meaning of that is the mixed economy. So next one हम देखेंगे a situation of international price discrimination where the price of a product when sold in the importing country is less than the price that the product in the market of the exporting country. It is known as what, whether it's the monopoly, B it's the discount pricing policy, C it's the dumping, D it's the propagating. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So we can say in this situation it's the dumping. What is the meaning of export friends? So goods and services that are produced in one country and sold to buyer of or buyers in another country. It's the meaning of export. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is a vital factor to provide the competitive advantage, whether it's the innovation, which the variation, C it's the dimension, D it's none of this. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. आइए friends हम little bit डिस्कस करेंगे मतलब क्या है और कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज. सो दिस फैक्टर्स और द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दैट परमिट वन कंपनी टू कॉम्पीट मोर इफेक्टिवली दैन इट्स इंडस्ट्री पियर्स और फ्रॉम इट्स कॉम्पिटिटर्स. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे रिसेंटली व्हिच वन has been implemented by government of India in the place of a 5-year plan. So friends, we have already discussed. So it was launched in the year 1951. Now it has been replaced by whom? Whether Make in India program, it's the Niti Aayog, so it's the PM, मतलब friends, the Prime Minister Aayog, it's the India Aayog. So friends, so it's B is the right option for this MCQ. Hi friends, what is the full form of that is the Niti Aayog? It's that is N for national, I for institution, T for that is the transferring, I stands for that is the India. So Niti Aayog. It has been or the Niti Aayog has replaced to whom? That is the 5-year plan. So next one हम देखेंगे consider both the list 1, list 2 and match with each other. In list 1 में क्या क्या है? Balance of payment, then balance of trade, then current account, then capital account. List 2 में क्या है, value of exports and imports of a country, then all the economic transaction between a country's residents and residents of other countries. Third one में क्या है, transactions leading to change in the financial assets and liabilities of a country. The next one, imports and exports of goods and services and unilateral transfer of goods and services. So friends, you have to select the right options from the following as given below. So A1, B2, C3, D4, B it's A2, B1, C3, D4. Third one it's A2, B1, C4, D3, D it's A4, B3, C2, D1. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब A2, so balance of payments, so it's a, that is the all economic transactions between a country's resident and a resident of other countries. Then B1, that is the balance of trade, it shows the value of export and imports of a country. Then C4, that is the current account, so the import and export goods and services and unilateral transfer of goods and services. And no doubt friends, so capital account, that is shows the transaction leading to changes in the financial assets and liabilities of a country. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. Last but not the least is also the vital MCQ, which are the components of globalization. A, free trade of goods and services. Second is the free movement of labor, then free movement of capital, then foreign direct investment, then diffusion of technology, then that is the foreign investment policy. So friends, select the right or correct options from the following as given below. A, all the way except 2, B, it's all the way except 3, C, it's all the way except 4, D, it's all the way. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So from first to sixth one, so these are what? So these are the components of globalization. So friends, so these are all about the 40 vital MCQs we have already discussed from the business environment as per the prescribed syllabus of PGT for the subject of commerce. So friends, I am again requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So before closing our ending our discussion, so wishing all the very best, not only your PGT examination but also other related examinations. So again I am requesting to all of you, if you have visited first time to my channel, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. So thanks a million to all of you.